Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Johnface Moto coming at you with another video. Construction related, remodeling. If you're in the industry and you haven't discovered these little air shims, you can get them at Home Depot, Lowe's. They're like 15 bucks or whatever. These things are great for hanging doors when you're working by yourself. And setting windows and basically anything you got to shim up. They're rated for like 300 pounds. They just got a little pump. You put, this flattens out completely flat, and then you just pump the little hand pumper. You can do it with your foot while you're holding something to set it, and it'll raise it up. And then there's a little relief valve on the side that'll let out the air, and so you can make small adjustments as you're installing. And it's good if you work by yourself. I work alone most of the time, but let me show you this in action. I'm setting this door. Got my shim right in the middle for balance. And then I just come up. There's my hinge. And I just align it up to where you want to be. And then get yourself lined up. I'm about a quarter inch down. Come down here with my foot. Give it a couple pumps. And you're right where you need to be. I'm doing this holding my iPhone and trying to do it with one hand. So right now you set your screws in, hop down to your bottom hinge, screw it off, and you're all set. So in the past, you use whatever's available, flat bar, piece of cardboard. This makes it a lot easier. These things have been around forever, so if you haven't got on board with them, check them out. Thanks for watching the video. If you can, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and have a good day. See you on the next one.